This is the second part of the explanation of the chapter The Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. In this part, I will explain the third and the fourth paragraph of the chapter The Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. So as you will read these two paragraphs, you will see that this two paragraph basically centers around this idea, that is the author's relationship with his grandmother and their life in village. So from these two paragraphs we get two important questions. Question number 1, how did the narrator and his grandmother develop a deep rooted relationship? Second question, give a short description of the grandmother's feeding of the village dogs. So after I finish explaining the two paragraphs, I will discuss these questions in details. Now let us read the third paragraph. My grandmother and I were good friends. My parents left me with her when they went to live in the city, and we were constantly together. She used to wake me up in the morning and get me ready for school. She said her morning prayer in a monotonous sing-song while she bathed and dressed me, in the hope that I would listen and get to know it by heart. I listened because I loved her voice but never bothered to learn it. Then she would fetch my wooden slate, which she had already washed and plastered with yellow chalk, a tiny earthen ink pot, and a red pen, tie them all in a bundle, and hand it to me. After a breakfast of a thick stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread on it, we went to school. She carried several stale chapatis with her for the village dogs. So in this paragraph we see the growing relationship between the author and the grandmother. The author's parents left him with his grandmother and they were constantly together. So every morning she used to wake him up and make him ready for school. And the grandmother, she used to say her prayers in a very monotonous way, in a sing-song way, and she also bathed and dressed our author in the hope that he would listen to that prayer and he would learn it. But Khushwant Singh never bothered to learn it, but he listened to it because he loved her voice very much. Then she would make him ready for school. She would bring all the stuff that Khushwant Singh took to his school, like the yellow chalk, or the wooden slate, tiny earthen ink pot, and a red pen. She used to tie them all in a bundle and hand it over to him. Now, after having a breakfast of a thick and stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread on it, both of them they went to school. The narrator's grandmother also accompanied him with him to the school, and she carried with her several stale chapatis which she used to feed those village dogs while they returned back from school. Come to paragraph 4. See, my grandmother always went to school with me because the school was attached to the temple. The priest taught us the alphabet and the morning prayer, while the children sat in rows on other side of the veranda, singing the alphabet or prayer in a chorus. My grandmother sat inside reading the scriptures. When we had both finished, we would walk back together. This time the village dogs would meet us at the temple door. They followed us to our home, growling and fighting with each other for the chapatis we threw to them. Now see, in the third paragraph we already came to know that the author's grandmother was taking care of him and they were constantly together since his parents left him with his grandmother. Now the grandmother did everything for him. She made breakfast, she made him ready to school, and she also even accompanied him to his school. Why she accompanied him? Because the temple was attached to the school, and in that village school the priest used to teach alphabets and morning prayers to the village students. And while the children sat in rows on the other side of the veranda singing the alphabets or the prayer in chorus, the grandmother, what she did is that she sat inside the temple reading the holy scriptures. And when both of them finished, when the lessons were done, when she finished her prayers, both of them they together came back, walked together, and while they were coming back, they fed the village dogs. The stale chapatis which they brought with them, they fed the village dogs with those chapatis. And as they were coming back, these village dogs they started growling and fighting with each other for the chapatis they threw to them. So this is how both the author and the grandmother, they were in the village, how they had a very strong relationship between them, even though his parents left him with the grandmother and shifted to the city. Now,
So these are
from the
some
third and the
important
fourth
words
paragraph, these
from
are
the
some
second
important
paragraph.
words:
Now see
monotonous, dull,
cross,
and
it means
boring,
the cross
bothered,
pattern of
to be
intersecting
concerned,
lines.
fetch,
Hobbled,
go
walked
for,
in an
and then
awkward
bring
way.
back something for
Spotless white,
someone,
she wore clean
plastered,
white colored dress,
covered
means
with a
it
layer of
tells us
plaster,
about her white
earthen,
sari.
made
Stoop,
of baked or
bends
fine clay,
one's body
stale,
forward. So
no
since she was
longer
an old
fresh,
lady, she used to
and
bend and
pleasant
walk.
to eat.
Puckered, a face contract into wrinkles. So puckered means those wrinkles in her face were all disorganized and her face was filled with wrinkles. Serenity, the state of being peaceful and calm. So as the author compared her with that expanse of pure white serenity, so she looked completely peaceful and calm. Contentment, a state of happiness and satisfaction. An expanse of pure white serenity. Here this line with reference to the paragraph 1 where the author compares his grandmother, here it means that it refers to the calm, relaxed and peaceful character of the author's grandmother. These are
These
some
are some
important questions
important
I have
questions
listed out
from the third and the
from the
fourth
second
paragraph.
paragraph, and I
Now
will
see
discuss
question
with you
number
all,
1.
and each of this
How did
question
the
carries
narrator
2
and
marks.
his
Now see
grandmother
this first
develop a
question. Give a pen
deep-rooted
picture
friendship?
of the
So you
narrator's
have to write it
grandmother
from
as
the
witnessed
beginning.
by the author when he
How
was
the
a child.
narrator's
So in this
grandmother took care of him,
question
what
you
she
have
did
to
for him.
write
So everything
about the
in
physical
the third
description
paragraph you
of
will
the
find the
narrator's
answer.
grandmother,
So
how
you
she
have to
looked like,
write
what she did, what
those
she was wearing,
things,
everything.
how
The
both the
way the
narrator and
narrator
his grandmother
described
developed a
us
deep-rooted
about her.
friendship.
Now, in the
Now
second
question
question, the
number 2.
grandmother was an
How did
expanse
the
of pure
grandmother
white
go to
serenity,
school
breeding
along
peace
with
and
the narrator?
contentment. As I
So
have
both
already
of them
explained you all, you
accompanied
have to
together.
write about
So
the
the
calm and peaceful
narrator's
state of the
grandmother,
grandmother.
she
Why
was
the grandmother
always
has
with the
been
narrator
compared with
when she
an
took
expanse pure white
our
serenity.
author to
Why
the
the
village
author
school.
compared the
Because why?
grandmother with
Because
the
the
snow-capped mountains,
temple was
and
also
why
attached with the
she
village
is
school.
considered here
What
as a
did the
pure
preach
white
teach
saint.
at
So
the
she
village
looked
school?
peaceful, she
The
looked
preach
happy,
at the
she looked
village school taught
contentment.
the children
So you
about
have to write
alphabets,
about this,
morning
that she
prayers.
was a live
Then
example
question
of
number
pure
4,
white
what were
peace
the food
emanating
items in the
entity.
breakfast? You have to write
Now,
about chapatis,
the
little bit
third
of
question, that
sugar.
is,
It's
what
there
made
in
the author to
the
opine,
third
oh so
paragraph.
terribly old, that
And
she
question
could
number
not have
5,
grown
give a
older? So in
short
this question,
description of the
here you
grandmothers
have to
feeding the
write that
village
the
dogs.
narrator's
So you will
grandmother was
find
so old that
the
she could
answer
not
of
be
this
older
question at the
anymore.
end
So
of
she looked
paragraph
for
4.
20 years
How
the
they used to
same.
feed, how they
Okay,
fed the
so that
village
is why
dogs.
you have to
How
write
she used
here
to
that
bring stale
she
chapatis
looked
with
very old.
her,
She couldn't
and
grow
she
more
threw those
older, and she
stale
looked for the same for
chapatis to
20
these village
years.
dogs. So these questions carry 2 marks, and you will find the answers of all these 5 questions in the third and the fourth paragraph.